All right, guys, I don't know how to jump into it, but we're just going to go for it right here, right now. First take. I worked out the deal of a lifetime, and right now I'm heading up to Massachusetts with the boys to pick up the seat of an absolute lifetime. Recaro Hans Kevlar Beauty. I've literally been working out this deal for about 3 weeks, so I told the guy I'm coming up right now. He agreed on a price, and let's go see them boys. Joe Hefe.
Nick?
Holy sh**. Holy shit. This is what. That's so cool. Somewhere in Connecticut. It looks so big on 0.5. That's awesome.
Shit, when that even crazier over there.
Bro, I'd never seen fireflies like this before. So we gotta stop because I hit a deer on the highway and I didn't want to stop. It ripped some wires out from underneath because I got an exhaust light. Could have just ripped one of the self-tappers out.
Hey, there's a piece of hair right there.
I'm like, oh my God, there's deer underneath my car.
The Kevlar back?
Kevlar. This was worth the last minute trip.
For sure.
So clearly you guys can see I picked up my dream seat. This is a $4,000 Recaro Hans full containment bucket seat with a Kevlar shell. This is insane. Indented head, big padding. I literally got the deal of a lifetime. You can just see that Kevlar weave and it doesn't show up on camera. I actually haven't seen one of these seats in person, but the seat is like green. It shows up like this tannish color. I don't even know how to describe it, but in person, it's green. This seat is definitely going in the Tilted TDI and it's gonna go with its little brother. That's right. I have 2 of them. Aren't they gorgeous? In 2019, I picked up 2 of these seats for V1 dream seats. Long story short, this is a black back, this is a carbon back. Which one's more appealing to the eye? But I love them both. Now, both these seats are extremely special to me. One, because this one's the Kevlar back. Look at the padding. This is a much more race car suitable seat. It's got the helmet indent. They're both expired seats from 2013, so they are a little bit older. But this seat new was $4,000. This seat is not a carbon back, so its value is about $3,200. Still a $7,000 combo between these 2 seats, which is crazy. That's minus the bracketry and all of that. Now, V1 story will come out in the slight future. Not yet. I will tell you guys where the other seat went. The seat is immaculate. You guys know when I purchased the seat, it was brand new, still in the bag, and I got the dream deal of a lifetime. So I'm happy I at least got to keep one of them. This seat has the Recaro side brackets, it has the planted bracket. It'll bolt right into the car. Already has one of these, but we're gonna do a harness bar and all that. This seat's padding's a little bit better, but you guys can see it doesn't have a bracket, so we gotta make a bracket. What I mean by make a bracket is make this bracket work. We're gonna make it work. I spent $180 on this bracket, not knowing it was for an E30. The only thing that makes it different is the mounting locations, which aren't that different. And I'm a welder, so we'll literally just make this all happen. We'll make it happen. It's metal. Oh, that almost hit the new Kevlar seat. You see how reckless I am? But yep, this is for an 82 to 91 driver's seat for an E30, not a Mark V TDI. And you can clearly see the legs are literally exactly the same, so we just have to chop this off, mount it to where we want, and we can even make it a little more flush to be lower in the car. So I'm excited to make those brackets, cut it down, weld it up, and put this Kevlar seat in the car and have 2 Recaro Hans full containment bucket seats ready to go. Into a sub $2,000 car that looks like this. I know, it's gorgeous. If you've missed the prior videos, watch them. These two are great. I love those two. Oh, dude, this seat is magical. But you guys see, I have a seat, I have a bracket. I don't have hardware, so I gotta run out real quick, take some of these bolts with me, figure out what we need to mount the seat to the chassis and the seat to the brackets. $16 plus the lollipops made it 18. Not too bad. My goal with the bracket is simple. I'm gonna lop these off and weld them back on exactly where they need to be. Centering the bracket out sounds easy, but honestly it won't be easy. But I got the other bracket to measure it out. And let's say it's crooked and it's not the best, I can always buy another one. I can always buy another one, so let's hack this thing up. So, got all the tabs cut off. I'm gonna prep this and I'm gonna reuse all of these because they got the perfect holes, they got the perfect bends. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip this seat out of the Mark V so then I can put the template on the floor, lay everything out, figure out what's straight, tighten all the bolts down and self-tapper through the 2 layers so I can get everything just straight as I want and then boom, weld it together. Oh my God. Ew! I got the seat bracket laid in the car and then I've got the little ears right here just sitting on the floor and I'm about to set them all up. The passenger seat bracket that's actually for this car, the inside brackets are really long and the outside brackets are flush with the mount. So I could literally just mirror this onto this side and make this so much more simple. So I'm gonna take the long ears, put them on the inside, the short ears, put them on the outside, cross my fingers and hope for the best. Because I am the best. No, I do an all right job. I do a pretty good job. Ow. Ooh. Wow. I put the long ears on the wrong side and the short ears on the wrong side, so let's redo this. Perfect, perfect. All right, change of plans. I'm only gonna weld them out one at a time and throw it back in the car, and then we're just gonna get all of them done like that because taking this whole bracket out and having them all centered is gonna be so hard. So one at a time. Bracket's done. Cinematics could be dangerous. Be careful, kids. Look at this thing. Their welds and look at mine. I'm not proud, but they're better. They're better. So when I purchased this seat, it didn't come with brackets. So what do? I got the Amazon special. Look at it in the sun. Look at it in the sun. Bracket on the bottom has nothing on that weave, baby. Got her all built up. This thing looked absolutely insane. Weave in the sun. Oh my gosh. She's beautiful. I'm happy. Nothing matters more than happiness. Remember that. It's so nice that the OEM seatbelt just unbolts 2 seconds. Gotta clean the OEM parts. It's nice that this one bolts because I could just put it right here or even curve it to the side so the hole lines up with the bracket hole so you don't even need to drill anything and it's temporary. Drill a hole in the side of it, have it bolt up to this. So we have options and we can plug it in to get rid of the seatbelt light, which is super convenient in applications like this. Because now I can just plug this into the factory harness, get rid of the seatbelt light, and have it look super OEM. This can go great, or this can go bad. Let's find out. I'm so excited right now. I'm so excited. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, that was the door. That was the door. Oh, oh, no way, dude. No way. I got. Dude. Watch. Bah! Bro. Oh my goodness. It looks so good in the Mark 6. Dude, it fits so good. Oh, the Kevlar seats in the Mark 6. This feels so right. This is the bee's knees. It's awesome. I had to put the Kevlar seat in the Mark 6. If the Mark 5's not running or rolling, I gotta have it in something. And the fact that I got the seatbelt working makes me feel so much better about this. So very clearly, I've mounted both seats in the car. And man, am I stoked. Look at that. Look how freaking fire the two of these look in there. This side just hits clearly. I mean, and from the back, oh, look at my seat.
Ooh, baby.
Ken, rate the purchase on the new seat 1 through 10.
11.
Like that, these seats are installed in the daily. For what reason? I don't know. Am I gonna daily like this? Oh yeah. Both these seats are temporarily mounted in the Mark 6. Only until the Mark 5 is ready to receive them, and that's very soon. So on that note, I'm gonna wrap today's video up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're excited for these seats, not only going in the Mark 6, but for them to go in the Mark 5, because that's gonna connect a big piece of the puzzle. Right now, we're kind of just feeling these seats out, seeing how they feel, and they're already feeling amazing. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're excited for the next video. Every single video I drop, I'm excited about. I hope you guys are excited about. So if you're excited about this one, let me know in the comments. Because sometimes I question myself, but I'm not questioning myself on this one today. This one is a banger. So as always, don't let anyone put you down. Remember, your build is unique to you, and go to some car meets, meet some new friends, and don't be afraid to ask people for help, because car people, we love to help. Ask me for help in comments. I'll freaking get back to you. I would love to help you with your car stuff. So peace out, guys. Hope to see you guys in the next one. And I love that you guys keep coming back and supporting the page. Peace. Some bonus footage. I'm driving 35 minutes to a meet. I'll let you know how it goes. What's your review?
It hugs me.
1 through 10.
9.
Bro, we're snug. What do you rate the seat 1 through 10?
10. Solid 10.
It's out. Nice and nimble.
10 out of 10, baby.